Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to win more realism matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, communicate effectively. Use voice chat or text messages to communicate important information with your team. Stay stealthy. Utilize stealth tactics to avoid detection by enemies, such as crouch walking and using silenced weapons. Use cover wisely. Take advantage of cover to protect yourself from enemy fire and minimize exposure. Prioritize accuracy. Aim for precision shots to maximize damage and efficiency. Play as a team. Stick together with your squad mates and support each other during engagements. Manage resources. Monitor your ammo and equipment carefully to ensure you're prepared for encounters. Be patient. Avoid rushing into situations impulsively and take your time to assess the battlefield. Use sound to your advantage. Listen for enemy footsteps and other audio cues to anticipate their movements. Stay aware of the circle. Keep an eye of the gas circle and plan your movements accordingly to stay ahead of it. Revive teammates. Prioritize reviving downed teammates to maintain your squad's strength. Adapt to the situation. Be flexible and adapt to your tactics based on the changing dynamics of the match. Utilize tactic gear. Use tactical equipment strategically to gain an advantage over your opponents. Watch your flanks. Be vigilant of potential flanking routes and watch each other's back. Choose loadout wisely. Customize your loadout to suit the requirements of the Realism mode, prioritizing stealth and accuracy. Stay hidden. Use the environment for cover and concealment to avoid detection by enemies. Communicate enemy locations. Call out enemy positions and movement to your teammates to keep them informed. Control high ground. Secure elevated positions for better vantage points and control over the battlefield. And that's how to win more realism matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.